Hey guys, it's Justin again from Coffeecology. In the last video, I showed you how to use your store credit or your jar refunds towards buying coffee or tea or coffee paraphernalia for yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you another cool functionality is that you can actually send store credit or jar refunds to a friend. Say you want to give them a jar of coffee for Easter or for their birthday or for just being a good friend. The really neat thing is you can sort of gather up your jar refunds and your store credit and share it with friends. So I'm already logged in on the website, so I'm just going to go to manage my account like before. I'm going to go to store credit. So last time I had $30, I just used $10 in the previous example, so now I'm left with 20. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit redeem for discount. Let's do $10 again. I'm going to redeem that. And so now I have the code there. So I'm just going to close this and hit refresh. And now I have refresh. You can see the code right in front of me. So I can either share the discount or recover the discount. What the recover does is it sends it back into my total over here. But this time I want to share it to a friend. So I'm just going to share it to myself for demonstration purposes. Gmail.com. And you can send a little note to your friend. Hey, Justin, coffee on me, buddy. And there, send a little note and hit share. And then what it's going to do is send that discount to your friend, and note that that discount will remain in your account until they use it. Once they use it, that specific discount code will no longer be available. So if we go over to my inbox, you'll see it's been sent to me. And then so your friend will see this message, share $10 with you, and they just have to copy that code and apply it during checkout. And there's a link to our store right there. Yeah, pretty straightforward. And now you can share coffee and tea with your friends.